against women with disabilities are not acceptable for us due to the different kind of sexual harassment, mental torture, physical violence. They are really deprived from the basic need.
Women with disabilities can make use of the existing international human rights treaties. There are many treaty bodies, the committees.
I want 2018 to be a year of inclusive feminism, and it has been really inspiring to be at APFF and see how inclusive this entire forum has been, especially by seeing that the front runners are the women with disability.
Yes, accessibility is very hard for person with disability, and if you talk about the accessibility of all diversified groups for person with disability, like for deaf, blind, hearing impairment.
When our movement believes that the fundamental the globally structures are marginalising women, we know those structures are particularly impacting on women with disabilities.
When we talk about the structural inequalities that women experience and go through, women with disabilities are one of the most marginalized even within the women's movement.
In Asia Pacific, I think that nowadays it has been like a growing movement of women with disabilities, and then the women with disabilities are actually doing a lot of work, especially in terms of engaging with the UN and also in the policy level.
Women and girls with disabilities faces many barriers in daily life, and this kind of barriers occurs of the multiple and intersectional discrimination.
Women with disability should inclusive in society because in environment, women with disability really lack of opportunity to access to environment.
Women with disabilities are more vulnerable and affected group on the time of the disasters because of their disabilities.
Stop discrimination against women with disabilities relating to marriage, family, parenthood and relationship.
This is time to globalization. Women with disabilities organizations are just becoming stronger. Now we concern that the the grant opportunities is very limited to the grassroots women with disabilities organizations, so we raise our voice.
Women with disabilities should be empowered to get a leadership role of their organization at national level, international level and global level.
The feminist movement has always thought of principles of inclusion, participation of all voices of women coming from varied backgrounds.
The women movement or the women opportunities is also very open. Starting from the Pacific region, they have their network on women with disabilities.
Asia Pacific Women with Disabilities United have contributed in the gender movement, in the disability movement, but here we have seen the contribution on three levels. One, how from the country's perspective, what kind of challenges, experiences we are facing, and secondly, what we are bringing to this forum.
Make